Hello dear friends, today I am writing an essay on my brother. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and like the video. My brother name is Ali. He is 18-year-old. My brother is only best friend. He is my elder brother. He is really helpful, honest and hardworking person. We do everything together. My brother is most important person in my life. My brother is the bright student. He always encourages and consoles me when I am upset. He is a great person. I love my brother so much.